Hello everyone, good day and welcome back. What I have today is a polynomial problem where I will ask to find the remainder when x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Anyway, there are two methods of doing this. All of them look simple, but follow me and see them one by one. The first method is we use long division method, and the second one is remainder theory. So let's use the long division method. Firstly, you should write this line. Take your function x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 1. Then take your divisor x plus 1. We call this a function, we call this a divisor. The answer you have here is called a quotient, and the last thing you have is called a remainder. Now, what you should do first is to say x cubed divided by x. The answer is x squared. You multiply this by this, which is x cubed. You multiply this by this, which is x squared. Then you now put line under, put bracket, subtract it. As you are subtracting, you take this down because nothing is under, you take it down. So we have plus 1, take this one down, minus x. Then minus times plus, is minus. Then 2x squared minus x squared is 1x squared. Then this times this is minus this, they cancel one another. So we have x squared minus x plus 1. The next thing to do is to divide this by this. That is x squared divided by x. The answer is just x. So we have plus x. Then you now see x times x is x squared. Then x times 1 is plus just x. Then now put line and subtract this. Now this one has nothing, you bring it down, so we have plus 1 here. Then minus times plus is minus, then minus x is minus 2x. Then minus this, cancel one another, we have just 0. So the next thing to do, which will be the second to the last point, or the last point, is there. You divide minus 2x by x. The answer is minus 2. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Then you now put line, put bracket, and subtract it. So you say minus times minus is plus. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Then minus times minus is plus. Minus 2x plus 2x, they cancel one another. Therefore, the remainder equals to 3. This is the first method. We call it a long division method. Now let's quickly proceed to see how the second method used to be carried. Now the second method, like I said, is remainder and factor theorem. So what you should do is to make a function of x to be equals to x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 1. Then you now have your x plus 1 as the divisor to be equal to 0. You make x subject, we have x equals to minus 1. So immediately you get this. The next thing is to make function of minus 1 instead of x. So we're going to have, wherever you see x, remove and put minus 1. So we have minus 1 raised to the power of 3 plus, 2 bracket minus 1 raised to the power of 2 minus bracket minus 1, then plus 1. You indirectly or you directly substituted all the x with the minus 1. So we have minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is just minus 1. Minus 1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 is just 2. Minus times minus is plus 1, then plus another 1. So what you should have here is minus 1 plus 2 is just 1, plus 1 plus 1, and this is equals to 3. Therefore, the remainder equals to 3. All the method looks simple. Anyone you decided to use, it's all accepted. This is simple and straightforward. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.